Every movement begins with a spark, and in 1964, that spark was lit. A dream to unite, uplift, and empower women religious across India, rooted in God's grace and growing with purpose. This is the story of the Conference of Religious Women, India. Responding to the spirit of the Second Vatican Council, CRWI took shape through the Institute Mater Dei in Goa, a home where young sisters receive deep theological, spiritual and human formation. It was here that hearts were shaped, minds opened and a mission was born. Today, CRWI is not just an organization, it is a living mission. A national space where thousands of women religious stand together, leading with faith, serving with compassion, and walking courageously where they are needed most. Four pillars of CRWI are Institute Mater Dei, Center for Innovations and Initiatives for Religious India, Center for Research on Religious Life India, and Grievous Redressal Cell. Together they form a foundation that nurtures leaders, inspires innovation, advances research, and safeguards dignity and justice in religious life. At CRWI, we believe something powerful. When women religious are strengthened and supported, the church grows stronger and society becomes a kinder place. This is CRWI, a moment of faith, unity and transformation. Stay with us as we share more stories of hope, courage and purpose.